Assalamualaikum. Our group has chosen to discuss an important issue: why many Malaysians doesn't have life insurance. Before I begin, let me quickly introduce my group members: Adiba, Jeffrey, Aaron, Ikrimah, Khairun, Nur Shafika, Farah Atika, and me myself, Shasha. Many Malaysians still do not have life insurance, and there are a few common reasons. First, some people think I'm young and healthy, so I don't need life insurance yet. But actually, buying insurance while you are young is cheaper and gives better protection in the long run. If you wait until you are older or sick, the monthly payments will be much higher. Second, many say life insurance is expensive. A lot of Malaysians assume life insurance costs a lot of money. In reality, there are affordable plans. Some plans start from as low as 30 ringgit, 50 ringgit a month, sometimes less than what we spend on food delivery in a week. Then some feel they don't need it because they already have medical insurance. But medical insurance only covers for hospital bills. Life insurance is different. It protects your family financially if something happens to you. Many think life insurance is useless unless you pass away. But modern plans also cover critical illnesses like cancer, stroke, disability, or even income loss. This means you can get benefits while still alive. And next, many rely only on their company's insurance. Some people think their employer's insurance is enough, but this coverage usually ends when you resign, retire, or change jobs. It also often does not fully protect your family. Last but not least, people think insurance is too complicated. Insurance terms and policy details can be hard to understand. Because of this, people delay the decision, saying later lah, but once explained properly, it's not as difficult as it looks.
Next, I will be explain about the basic concept of life insurance. Life insurance is about an agreement between you and insurance company, and you pay a fixed amount called a premium. And in return, the company promises to provide financial protection for your loved one if you pass away. For the definition and function, life insurance is not about avoiding risk because of that or uncertainty that the things we cannot control. Instead, it's about the transferring the financial risk from ourselves to the insurance company. By paying a small amount regularly, we make sure that when something unexpected happens, our family receive payout known as a sum assured or sum insured. This money help cover living expenses, debt, education, or even funeral costs. Next is how it works. So you as the policyholder, you pay a premium, and the insurance company collect this from many people, and when someone pass away, the company pays the benefit to the chosen beneficiaries. So usually a spouse, children, or a parent. This ensure that our dependents are not left without support.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today I'll be presenting about the component and type of life insurance. First, the main components. A life insurance policy involves the policyholder who owns the plan and pays the premium, the insured whose life is covered, and the beneficiary who receives the payout. The key element are the premium paid, the death benefit or sum assured, and in some policies, a cash value that grows over time. Next, the type of life insurance. The most common is term life insurance, which covers a fixed period and is usually the most affordable. Whole life insurance provide lifetime coverage and include a cash value. Endowment policies combine protection with savings, paying either on death or maturity. Universal life insurance offer flexibility in premiums and coverage. There's also investment-linked insurance, where part of the premium is invested, and group life insurance often provided by employers for a group of people. In short, life insurance is not one size fits all. The right type depends on individual needs, whether it's affordability, lifetime protection, savings, or investment growth. That's all for my part.
So what is important in taking life insurance and why this is necessary for us? Taking life insurance is to ensure a family could maintain their lifestyle and all those expenses if they are passed away by replacing their lost income. Without insurance, your loved one might struggle to pay for housing, education, and also daily need. So this is really matter because life insurance acts as a safety net. With estate planning. Estate planning means life insurance helps to cover estate taxes or debts. This is to ensure your heirs receive the full value of your asset without extra financial strain. Without it, the worst part is your heirs might have to sell their property or take on debt to cover all those expenses. Thirdly, covering funeral and of life expenses. For your guys' information, life insurance helps to cover funeral costs and other final expenses, so your family isn't burdened by this cost during a difficult time. And this is really important because funerals and medical bills can be expensive, and life insurance ensures your loved one don't have to pay out of pocket.
Hello, my name is Ikrima and I will continue for the importance of life insurance. The first one is medical and critical illness expense coverage. Life insurance help you pay for big medical bills. Without it, you might have to use out all your savings. For example, Ahmad suddenly get diagnosed with cancer. Instead of using all his savings, his insurance pay for the hospital bills, so Ahmad can focus on recovery. Next one, debt settlement and liability insurance. For example, if you pass away while still having loans, your family does not need to pay for it. Insurance money will be covered for it. For example, Siti bought a house with loan, but she passed away in an accident. Her life insurance is used to pay off the remaining housing loan. The last one is business continuity coverage. Life insurance can protect the business if something happens to them. It can pay off business loan or help the next person take over. For example, Mr. Tan owns a small restaurant and has a bank loan for business. If he passes away, his life insurance pays off the loan. His wife can continue running the restaurant without worrying about the debt.
We continue presenting about risk factor if not taking life insurance. Let's start with financial instability for dependents. According to Penangara Financial Capability Survey, almost 52% of Malaysians cannot survive more than 3 months without their main source of income. Example for this, a father earning 4,000 a month unexpectedly passed away, leaving behind his wife and 2 children. Without life insurance, the family instantly loses their financial lifeline. This is not just a financial issue, it deeply affects their quality of life and future opportunities. Next is reduce resilience to economic shock. Life insurance is like a shield during uncertain times. Without it, families are far more vulnerable to external shocks such as inflation, recession, or health crisis. For example, during COVID-19, thousands of Malaysians lost job or income, while medical expenses skyrocketed. Families without insurance had no safety net, making it nearly impossible to cope with both the financial and health burden. With life insurance, at least there is some financial cushion to keep the household afloat.
So next is no inheritance for family. So not everyone has the capabilities to build a large inheritance for the family due to today's economics, where the living need to take care of their daily expenses. So if an individual has no life insurance, it will be a financial burden for the family as the expenses might be higher where it can cost thousands. So number 7 is trend on surviving spouses. Spouses, whether it's wife or husband, will become fully responsible on the stability of their remaining family. Sudden responsibility can cause the spouse emotional stress, which include the financial stress. They might force to dip on their joint retirement savings early, which will later expose the spouses to immediate financial survival mode. So the last one is burden shift to extended family. So life insurance provides security towards the deceased family, including the extended family. This is because they might have to step in financially to help the deceased family, which might also impact their own life and future plan.
Hello, my name is Adiba binti Muhammad Rafi, and today I'm going to talk about how we can increase life insurance purchase in Malaysia. So both the insurance company and the people themselves have important role to solve this issue. Number 1 is make insurance premium more affordable. They can offer plan from as low as 60 to 100 ringgit per month with basic coverage around 18,000 to 100,000 ringgit. So they should also give flexible payment methods such as monthly, quarterly or yearly payment. Number 2 is encourage people to buy insurance early. Insurance company can create special package for young people with lower premium, so it is easier for them to start early. Number 3 is promote riders as added value. Riders give extra protection for hospital bills, disability and infectious disease. Companies should offer these riders at discounted prices and share real-life examples of how much rider can save during hospital treatment. Now let's look at what people can do. Number 1 is separate insurance from salary. So treat it like a monthly saving or loan repayment. Set it auto debit from the bank so the premium is always paid first before spending on other things. Number 2 is start early. When people buy insurance while they are young and healthy, their premium will always be cheaper. So later, when their salary increase, they can upgrade their coverage for more protection.
In conclusion, life insurance is important because it protects not just ourselves, but also our family if something happens. The real issue is not only about money, but also about awareness. If more Malaysians understand that life insurance can be affordable and useful, then more people will start to see it as a necessity, not just an option. Okay, that's all from our group. Thank you.